Finding an honest and reliable expert is essential when it comes to land surveying. Bangalore's Gangondanahalli neighborhood offers a variety of possibilities. To discover the best service, people in need of private land surveyors in Kadabagere, Bangalore, should conduct extensive research. Searching for surveyors with a track record of accomplishment in the industry is one choice. Making an informed decision can also be aided by reading reviews and asking for advice from others. In the end, the most accurate and exact land surveyors in Gangondanahalli, Bangalore, are those who value these qualities in their work. Property owners in Kadabagere can make sure that their land is accurately surveyed and documented for legal and construction purposes by hiring a reliable and competent specialist. Finding trustworthy and knowledgeable land surveyors is crucial for obtaining precise results for land surveys in Bangalore's Gangondanahalli neighborhood. Even if there are many possibilities in the area, working with government land surveyors in Kadabagere, Bangalore, might be a smart move. These surveyors have received the necessary training, and the government has granted them permission to conduct land surveys and adhere to all rules and regulations. They can produce detailed reports with the highest degree of accuracy because they are knowledgeable about the most recent technology and tools needed for land surveying. Government land surveyors in Bangalore's Kadabagere also have a thorough understanding of the local land laws and regulations, which can be helpful when resolving legal problems. They may offer knowledgeable direction and counsel on issues pertaining to land as well as assist in amicably settling conflicts. In conclusion, selecting government land surveyors in Kadabagere, Bangalore, for land surveys in Gangondanahalli, Bangalore, may guarantee peace of mind and precise outcomes. Therefore, for the finest results, think about choosing government-approved. It is crucial to rely on the knowledge of the top experts in the business when it comes to land surveying. There are many possibilities for land surveyors in Gangondanahalli, Bangalore, but for those seeking the best, it is worthwhile to take into account the services of the best surveyors in Kadabagere, Bangalore. These experts can offer you the best level of service and quality, whether you require a boundary survey, topographic survey, or construction survey. Choose the top land surveyors in Kadabagere, Bangalore, if you want to guarantee that your land survey is completed correctly. When looking for the top land surveyors in Gangondanahalli, Bangalore, it's crucial to conduct research and identify a reliable business with industry experience. The group of land surveyors in Kadabagere, Bangalore, is a fantastic choice to take into account. These land surveyors have the skills and knowledge essential to offer precise and dependable surveying services for a variety of projects, thanks to their years of experience and successful track records. They have the equipment and knowledge to execute the job well, whether you need boundary surveys, topographic surveys, or construction staking services. In addition, the Kadabagere team of land surveyors in Bangalore is dedicated to offering top-notch